Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you some types of places you can live or rent here in the Philippines, especially if you're a foreigner who wants to move here permanently and you're looking for a place you could rent or live on that is right into your budget. One of the most common choices to rent on is a condominium because it's safe and there's a lot of amenities with it, such as swimming pools, fitness centers, etc. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some affordable price of condominium to a high-end price of unit. One of the example is this condominium. As you can see in the picture, this place is wonderful and fit for your choices as there is a beautiful view and wider swimming pools. So, this condominium features resort-style studio. Wow, right? So, about the condominium, you just need to pay 10,000 to 15,000 peso for a reservation for your condominium. Also, 3,000% down payment and the remaining balance will be payable through banks and Pag-ibig. So you can assure the 24/7 security in this condominium, multiple swimming pools inside a condominium, and grand lobby, tennis court, gym, fitness, restaurants, etc. So if you're interested, I can show you some pics of their room. So let's go, let's see it. Here's a good thing about this condominium. Because this condo is just nearby malls, restaurants, and hospital. So you only need a minutes to travel from your condo, which you can buy food, groceries, shirts, bags, anything you wanna buy inside the mall. Of course, there's a restaurant nearby, so you can choose whatever you like to eat. Also, there's a Jollibee in there. There's a Chowking. There's a KFC. There's also a McDo in there. And also, there's a lot of choices. You can choose whatever you like to eat. Okay. So, if you wanna be, if you wanna be treated or you want a medical care in yourself, you just need to travel minutes from your condo to hospital. There's a good thing about this condominium also. This condo is a pet friendly. So means you can bring your pet inside the condominium, right? So it's good, right? It's good. Really, really good to a pet lover. Yeah. So what if you just wanna need a few days to stay in? Or you want this condo to be rented for a couple of days? Yes, this condominium is also offering a rent good for few days or a couple of days. Their check-in time is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And their checkout hours is 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. So what are the amenities also by renting just for a days? Of course, it typically includes Wi-Fi, Netflix, air conditioning, pools, wow, pools, and gym access. So guys, I hope this video helps you getting some information about renting a place you could live on in Cebu City. So thank you guys, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.